If you use Excel and work with data every day, you know what I'm talking about. You first export data from CSV, put it into Excel, try using formulas, ask ChatGPT for insights, copy paste charts into slides, and then repeat the same thing next week over again. That is 4 tools, 45 minutes, and still no real workflow. If you're frustrated and are looking for an option, well, let me show you Quadratic, an AI native spreadsheet that can clean data, analyze it, write code, create dashboards, and pull live data from APIs. If you deal with data every day, if you want to start a new business, if you are a creator, if you want to start freelancing, this is going to be useful for all of you. Instead of using 4 different tools and copy pasting data from one another, you can simply use Quadratic. Quadratic is the Excel alternative that we all deserve. And now let me show you how it works. Alright, so this right here is quadratichq.com. You can check out the link in the description to access this. We can create a free account and then click on open Quadratic. At first it might look like a familiar spreadsheet, but the advantage here is you can just ask it anything in plain English and it can actually execute code. It can run Python, it can write SQL, create charts, and work with live data all in this interface. So instead of switching between Excel, Power BI, Google Slides, ChatGPT, you can just do everything right here in this interface. The first thing you can do with Quadratic is to clean data. It's very efficient with taking a messy spreadsheet and organizing all the data, all the columns, all the numbers to make it look presentable. So let's try that out. Here's an example of a messy spreadsheet. As you can see, the dates are not properly formatted. You can see some empty rows and columns over here. There are some empty cells over here. We have a lot of irregularities. Now I will basically pull in that spreadsheet over here and I'll just ask it to clean it. Clean this data set, remove duplicate rows, standardize all dates to DD, YY format, convert revenue INR and ad spend into clean numerical columns, flag rows with missing or invalid values, and create a cleaned version of the table that I can use for analysis. Let's say that's what I wanted to do. I'll just press on enter and watch it pull all the data into the spreadsheet, and it's now going to start working on cleaning the data in front of us. So this right here is the cleaned creator revenue spreadsheet that you can look at. The dates are standardized, all the rows which have missing values are flagged over here. It got rid of the duplicate rows and it all looks much more presentable. This was all done with a single prompt and in less than 20 seconds. You would normally have to do this manually in Excel, but now you can just write one prompt and get it done by Quadratic. The cool part is it didn't just tell me how to clean it, it actually did it right in front of me in the spreadsheet itself. It can run Python in the background. So if you select this entire table, you can go to open code editor and you can see all the work it did. So it is removing the duplicate rows. It is sanitizing dates to the format I asked it for, converting revenue INR and ad spend INR to numeric values, and doing all of the work for me. So it wrote the code and it executed it and showed me the final spreadsheet, which looks a lot more presentable now. Number 2, you can ask Quadratic to give you insights from the data that we have here. So with the same cleaned spreadsheet, I can ask it this prompt. What are the most interesting insights I can get from this data set? Look at monthly revenue, ad spend, customers, leads, channel performance, product category performance, and conversion efficiency. Give me 5 useful business insights and tell me what should I do next. Okay, and here is the insight. This was the highest revenue month. The most efficient channel was actually newsletter. The top product category was consulting, and the best conversion happened for newsletter consulting. Ad spend was below 50% of the revenue in all months. And here you can see all of that data being captured. How cool is that? And you can keep chatting with it like a real assistant. So you can say stuff like, what should I double down on next month? Which channel has high spend but weak conversion? Which product category has the best return on ad spend? Say those were your questions. You can simply put them here and it'll answer those questions like a real analyst. And there you go. You should double down on newsletter, channel, and consulting products. LinkedIn is a channel with high ad spend but weak conversion. while consulting is the product category with the best return on ad spend. So instead of building formulas first and then getting the answers, you can simply just prompt it and get real insights. This gives you full flexibility so that if you are a non-tech person, you can just chat and get the answers, or if you actually understand code and data, you can just click on this, go into the code editor and actually read all the code and rerun anything that you want to. And that's the real difference. Quadratic is not just ChatGPT with a spreadsheet plugin. The AI can actually run Python or SQL inside the grid. So it's not just talking, it is actually executing. All right, number 3, you can also use Quadratic to create visualizations, dashboards, and charts. And this is the coolest part that I want to show you. So using the same data that we have, I can simply give it a prompt and I can say, what are the best charts I can make to better understand this data? Recommend charts for revenue trend, channel performance, product category performance, ad spend efficiency, customer growth, and conversion rate. So these are all the charts that we can create with it. Let's just ask it to create the first 3. Create the first 3 charts and show me what it looks like. Let's do that. So it made a new sheet called dashboard and now it is creating all the 3 charts that I just asked it to. So I got a line chart for the revenue trend. It also made a bar graph for the channel performance. And then it also created this other chart for product category performance. So if you run a business, if you are working in some big company and you want all of these visualizations to be made, it can literally just happen by just chatting with Quadratic and just asking it to create these. Create the other 3 charts as well over here. And it made 3 more charts for me. So this is the ad spend efficiency, conversion funnel, and customer growth. So you can see the variety of visualizations that it can create depending on the type of data that you have. Now I'll ask it to make a dashboard. So I'll say, create a clean dashboard from this data, include monthly revenue trend line chart, revenue by channel bar chart, revenue by product category bar chart, ad spend versus revenue comparison, ROAS by channel, and 5 key business insights as text. Make it presentable for a founder or creator. Let's say that's my prompt. Now let's see what it does. So it first made the dashboard metrics that it has to showcase. See, this is the task that you would do and it would take you 1, 2, 3 hours depending on what you want to make and how complex you want it to be. But as you can see, it's happening right in front of me. I don't need to write formulas. I don't need to deal with messy data. I can just simply give it a task, ask it to make dashboards, and it creates that right over here. All right, there you go. So it made 2 more charts and there you go. This is what the final data looks like. All of these charts are quite presentable. You can actually show it to people without the need to copy and paste it from somewhere, use different tools, and be stuck between all of them. So we took messy data, we cleaned it, then we analyzed it, then we asked it to make charts from that, and then we asked it to convert these charts into a live dashboard right here, as you can see. So far we've been using a CSV, but the bigger idea is that Quadratic can also pull data from APIs. They have this stock market data API natively set up, so I don't need to give it any API keys or do any setup of my own. I can simply ask it for the data and it gets access to it using the native API that it already has. So I'll create a new file over here and I'll start with an empty sheet and I'll give it a very simple prompt. I'll just say pull real-time stock market data for the top AI companies in 2026. Compare Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, AMD, Broadcom, and Palantir. Create a table with current price, market cap, 1-year performance, PE ratio, and a short note on why each company is relevant to AI. So I'm asking it for live stock market data, and this is where it's going to access its native API for stock market data. So as you can see, it says I'll pull up real-time market data for these AI companies and build a table. The good part is I'm not uploading any CSVs or files anymore. I'm letting Quadratic just access the live data available using the stock market API and give me access to this data, as you can see over here. Now you can do anything with this. I can basically ask it to create more charts. So I can just say, I want you to create a comparison table, a bar chart of the market cap, a chart of 1-year stock performance, and a short summary for which AI companies are leading the AI trade. Let's say that's what I wanted to do. I can just send this one prompt and get 3 different things done. That's the best part. You are not doing one thing at a time. And there you go. So it has started creating these 2 charts, market cap chart, performance chart. And now it will also add a summary over here. And we can see the summary as well. So all of this is happening right in one spreadsheet. Now imagine using your own company data. Google Analytics, Mixpanel, QuickBooks, Plaid, your own database. It can pull data from all of that and present it to you right here. If you go to connections on Quadratic, you can actually create a new connection right here, and you have all of these apps that it supports. You can connect banks, brokerages, credit cards, databases from MySQL to Postgres. You can pretty much connect all of the data that you have of your company and just pull it right in one sheet and use it to create visualizations, insights, anything that you would want to. Now, Quadratic is also working on Agent Sync, which is a new feature designed to help you connect any API that you want. It will research the docs, help you with the setup, and pull in the data for you. So far, I was showing you examples for a creator, but let's say that you are working in an agency and you want to create a quick report. You can simply take this data that we have over here, this CSV file. We will import it in Quadratic and we'll just have this basic prompt. Create a weekly client report. For each client, summarize the spend, revenue, ROAS, leads, conversions, best performing channels, and worst performing channels. Then write a short client-friendly summary I can paste in an email. So not just creating charts, but also giving me the messages that I can type. And there you go. That is the summary right there for the clients, the spend, the revenue, all the details right here. And there you go. So this is the client summary with the spend, the revenue, ROAS, the client name, and we also have the email summaries that we can send to the clients. So that is the power of Quadratic. If we are taking an example of an agency that you're working in or you are running right on your own. Now, let's say you're a founder and you want every detail about your business. So we have this CSV file, which has details about your monthly revenue, your CAC, your active customers. Let's pull all of this data. So I have this data here in Quadratic, and now I can have a very simple prompt like this. Analyze this SaaS finance data. Calculate MRR growth, churn trend, burn rate, runway, active customer growth, and key risks. Create a founder dashboard and summarize what is working and what is risky and what should I be doing next. So I'll just paste that in right like that. And it is already creating that dashboard for me. And these are the metrics for the founder dashboard. And there you go. We have our charts right over here in this same sheet. So we have MRR and month over month growth. We have churn trend. We have the burn rate. And we also have active customers and ARPA. All of that happening right in one sheet. Now, if you can zoom in over here, we can actually see all the metrics it is using and how it created all of these charts. Now, let me show you the coolest thing about creating dashboards and charts. So you don't need to come again the next week and create all of this yourself again. You can simply run this entire spreadsheet again and it will pull in live data and it will update all of these charts and dashboards right in front of you. So for example, if I want to rerun this entire spreadsheet for the latest data of these stocks, I don't need to again ask it to do everything. I can simply just come to the chat and I can say, refresh this dashboard using the latest available data. Update the charts, summary, and recommendations based on the newest data. So I'll just press enter and I'll watch it pull live prices, live market cap, all the live metrics, and then create these charts and update them automatically. So as you can see, it says that it is already pulling live data. Let me refresh it. Charts depend on it and will update automatically. And that's what differentiates it from just one-time spreadsheet and something which I can run again and again like a workflow. And there you go. All the details have been updated. All the charts have been updated. And it also has recommendations for each of these stocks. How cool is that? What's epic is that you can create a scheduled task for when you want these live dashboards to be updated automatically. So without you having to come and run the code cells again, you can simply come here, click on this code sign and select the duration when you want these live dashboards to be updated. This avoids the manual work needed to go to the website and run the cells again. It just happens automatically. That's amazing. Well, that was the video about Quadratic, your AI AI native spreadsheet. You can check out the link in the description to start using Quadratic today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And if you're still watching, write in the comment section, I watched till the very end. I will see you all in the next one.